that quiz time?
Yeah.
What's on?
Quantum physics.
Probably should. Did you study for it?
Yeah.
Oh man, I probably should have studied for it. Do you know how long it is?
It's probably gonna be like 5 minutes.
Oh well.
Okay, class, it's time to start your quiz. 5 minutes. Good luck. Hashtag independent. Hashtag confused. Okay, your time is up. Passing the quizzes.
I just started.
Sucks for you, man.
Sorry, man.
I got at least a 60 on that.
Nah, man, 100% all the way.
No, but I just winged it, so yeah.
Alright.
Can't be too bad. I only
Kenny,
got, what, 2
good
hours
job.
of sleep last night?
You got 100.
100!
But Andy, better luck next time. You got a 21.
Damn.
You might want to study harder next time.
Maybe you should actually sleep this time.
Oh man. Dude, how do you do it? You like juggle school and what else do you do?
I do track every day after school.
Is that your secret?
Yeah.
You're like all energized and stuff.
Yeah, track practice helps with muscle growth and also helps with your brain.
I should try that sometime. Hey, Kenny, how's it going?
Oh, what's up?
Test is on quantum physics, chapter 6, right?
Yeah, quantum
Okay.
physics chapter 6.
Dude, I'm ready to ace this.
Alright. Get this done with.
Put all your material away. You'll have 5 minutes to complete this test.
Good luck.
Good luck.
See, that's how people discovered stuff. Okay, people told Benjamin Franklin that lightning was actually fire.
Okay, your time is up.
Like, no, lightning is electricity. I was searching like, why? I looked here. Attaching
I feel good about that. You feel pretty good too? Yep. 100 all the way.
Do a little less than guys. I'm hoping something paid off.
Kenny, good job as usual. Not 100.
100%, yeah.
Andy, you didn't fail this time. You got 100.
Alright, let's stop here for a second. What you just witnessed was Annie going from failing to succeeding on tests, and you may have inferred that I decided to go exercise after failing the first test. So what happened in between both tests? So, believe it or not, exercise stimulates neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons. Scientists at Columbia University and the Salk Institute of San Diego found that a mature brain can undergo neurogenesis in a dentate gyrus, a region in the hippocampus linked to memory decline. Following MRI scans of mice and humans, scientists found that exercise increased blood flow in the dentate gyrus, as well as neurogenesis. The humans were then given cognitive tests and performed much better. As of 2009, the National Institute of Health also found evidence for the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factors, also known as BDNF, during exercise. These chemicals play an important role in regulating growth and survival of neurons. The NIH found significantly increased levels of BDNF in humans and mice in the hippocampus and cortex following exercise.
Many studies already suggest that the brain for thinking and memory, the prefrontal cortex and medial temporal cortex, have greater volume in people who exercise versus those who don't. Most research looks at walking and anaerobic exercises such as swimming and running to be the most ideal. Anyone can always join a class or work out with a friend, track progress on the way to reaching a goal, or hire a trainer. Also, in 2014, a study by the British Journal of Sports Medicine to combat dementia and mild cognitive impairment showed that older women who did aerobic exercise and resistance training had increased hippocampal volume and memory capacity. But that's all for adults and maturing adolescents. What about children? In May 2010, psychologist Christian Roberts of UCLA found support for the idea of aerobic conditioning and academic success going hand in hand. Several middle schoolers were timed on how fast they could run the mile, and after measuring their BMIs, their fitness scores were correlated with their standardized test scores. It was found that students who are fit based on their high aerobic capacity and low body fat tended to perform well academically.
In both children and maturing adolescents, exercise stimulates the brain into raising levels of neuronal growth factors, which fosters the formation of new connections between brain cells. Now, as for Kenny, who runs track, he is able to reap the benefits of this aerobic practice. Studies have shown the volume of the midbrain, which controls vision and hearing, and the hippocampus to increase through running. A study in 2013 showed that runners' brains contain greater metabolic efficiency and neuroplasticity. Running also boosts the brain's abilities to remember information, multitask, focus, and store more glycogen as fuel for cognitive functions. It will also promote the release of chemicals called endorphins, such as the neurotransmitters serotonin and norepinephrine. And finally, for Andy, who swims, he is able to reap greater benefits of the aerobic practice, as swimming not only releases serotonin, but ANT, a stress-reducing hormone. Swimming, like running, also releases endorphins and produces excess fight or flight stress hormones, converting stress into relaxation. It has also been shown that swimmers' brains also contain greater metabolic efficiency and neuroplasticity. And like any aerobic activity, it promotes hippocampal neurogenesis. No wonder I was able to ace that second test after I started exercising.